Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I am on day number 4 of my Thanksgiving Day menu. And I got a nice option right here. If you guys don't feel like cooking a whole turkey, then you could just go ahead and bake you some nice chicken. Sometimes we have both on Thanksgiving. Baked chicken, fried chicken, and a turkey. So we could jump into this video and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to get this done. Alrighty guys, so I got me some chicken drumsticks and some thighs right here. I had a couple of wings in the freezer, but I didn't thaw them out in time and I wasn't going to wait on those to thaw out. So we're going to just roll with this. We're going to get it all seasoned up. Start with a little black pepper. I don't have the slightest idea what happened to my new pepper that I just bought. But I happen to find this little bit in the cabinet. I don't even know if it's going to be enough, but we're going to work with it. Alright, then I'm coming hit it with some of that good old onion powder. Alright, then we're coming, I'm going to put some of the seasoning salt on it, guys. I'm keeping it real simple. Just putting some of the seasoning salt on here. Alright, once I have that down, then I'm going to come in and put a little bit of this smoked paprika on here. And sometimes I forgot what all I get from the grocery store, guys, and could have sworn I had smoked paprika or didn't have any. So I went and I bought 2 more bottles and came to find out I had a bottle that wasn't even open yet. Alright, so we'll get some of the smoked paprika down here. That's gonna give it just a little smokiness to it and add a nice beautiful color on it. Alright, and that is it for the seasoning, guys. I'm just going to give these a flip. I'm just going to season the top side the exact same way I like to bake my chickens, with the skin side up. Alright, so just finishing off the seasonings right here with the paprika, and then I'm going to get this bad boy covered up with some aluminum foil. And this is going to go in the oven, guys, 350 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes covered. And then I'll take it off, put it under the broiler because I like my skin to get a little crispiness to it. So after an hour and 20 minutes, I'll take the foil off, put it under the broiler for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'll come back. Alrighty guys, I am back and chicken is out of the oven, completely done. And look at how absolutely beautiful that baked chicken looks. Absolutely wonderful. And I'm just gonna plate this up, guys, and I'm gonna take my thumbnails and my videos and I'm gonna give one a taste test for you guys, see if I hit it on the spot. Some nice good oven baked chicken, a perfect option for Thanksgiving. Alright guys, coming over with a real quick taste test here. Got my nice good oven baked chicken. Not gonna waste any time giving this thing a taste test. I'm just grab me one of these bad boys off of here. Come on off of here. Nice. Alright, let's take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. I know it's still hot, but take a bite. That's so nice and juicy. Still hot. See the smoke coming off that thing. Well, it's it's not falling apart. I can still hold it and bite it. It's not dropping everywhere. Another bite. Oh, that's hot. One more bite. And it's seasoned perfect. A smoked paprika too. So good. So good. Alright guys. Alrighty guys, so day number 4 is in the books. A nice good oven baked chicken. That's a nice little option for you guys on Thanksgiving. If you don't want that whole turkey, cook you some nice good baked chicken. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch TV, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny, and Pinterest. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.